Today I just want to do up a quick measure for our sales to new customers on particular dates. So I'll go over here to sales and press the three dots, and it's a new quick measure. Now we look at the grouping here. It's in filters and it's called sales from new customers. Pick that. Now there's three boxes here to fill in. The first one here is what's your figure for sales. So that's a measure I have, total sales. So drag that across into it. Then the next one then is the customer ID. So you have customer number for that. So I'll drag that one across from the customer table. And then we have the date then, which is our regular date from the column from the date table. And we press OK on that then. And that's the measure that's prepared by Power BI. And the last line here, just drag it down, that's the important part at the end of the calculation after doing these two variables. So I'm just going to change the name of it, just have a better name here of the measure. So highlight it there and call it sales to new customers. Just modeling here. This time I just do two decimal points, or two places after the decimal point. And you see here there are three parts really to it. There's the first variable here, that's calculating the customer numbers for the current filter date. If you had date in the visual, then the next one variable is going back a day. If you had dates in the visual as filters, and so it's kind of from the start to that previous date. What are the customer numbers for that? And then kind of the last line here, what it's doing is it's saying, well, out of the customer numbers for the current, in relation to the current date, which of those are not on this other list, other variable, which is the kind of the list since the start to the previous day. And that's they obviously are the new customers. And then once it has that list of new customers on that particular day, it does the calculation of sales just for those ones. So we'll look at that in more detail in the following videos.